Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard. Lots of additions to the motorhome, and the one I really like is adding strip lighting. Rather than, let me walk you around and show you the lighting that we have. So it's LED, they're all downlighters, as you can see. Got a drinks cabinet. So they're okay, they're great. But I like all the modern vans where they have LED strip lighting. Now I've added 3, I've got a 4th one to add, but I thought I'd share it. So this is what it looks like, okay, on top, and that's adjustable from 10% up to, he says, 100%. I've got one in the back here as well, so turn this on. These are infrared, but also they're Bluetooth, so there's an app, a free app for doing it online. Okay, so you can see the lighting there. It looks great at night. I turn the other ones off, but just gives us a load of lighting. So I've done the side here, I've done the back. There's very little lighting in the front. There's some very bright white lights on the side here, and I put one right across the front of the bed and taken power off the middle here, so it's above the bed. But what I've got missing is this one here. So it's fun to share with you what I've done and how I've done it. So ordered the strip from eBay. So I ordered 2 meters. So it comes like this, a COB lighting, I believe they call it. It's fully waterproof. Not that we need that in the motorhome. And you can cut it to length. So when it's too long, get a great pair of scissors. So you just take the bit off that you don't need. One I prepared earlier. So what a shame, but I don't need it. I needed actually the length of the top. So I actually it's self-adhesive backing, and literally it sits in here, and I use a wooden spoon and just to push it down, which I've done with the other side. And where you've cut it, I don't know if you've come across this before, but this is absolutely brilliant. So where did I get this from? Temu. So UV epoxy, it's odorless, anti-yellowing, and ultra transparent. Literally, you put a dab on the end where you've cut it, UV torch, and literally shine it on the end. I don't know if you can see that. And you can see the blob on the end I've put. Just so the terminals are covered. You can see the strips. I don't know if you can see that. And done. So that's the end. That's the power lead. This is the Bluetooth and power with a switch on it. So that plugs into there. You get a 3-pin power lead. Obviously not needed. I'm going to take the power off the van. My thought is, where we've got the fridge, I'm going to take the power up the back, and these vent panels come off. So I'm going to go into the back, take the power off behind the fridge, because there's 12 volt there, and I'll take it through this panel here and leave the remote in there, so I'll still be able to access it through that. But obviously the Bluetooth on the phone, on the app, works regardless anyway. But I thought I'd share that with you. I don't know if I said, 2 meter was about £14. I did the 3 meter there, was about £18. So it's inexpensive, but it gives off a great light. And I went for the warm white rather than the daylight, or the bright light. So it's I'm not sure what Kelvin that is, probably like 3,000, 4,000, something like that. But great to share. Now I've learned so much from other people on the YouTube channel. I think it's lovely to be able to share something back, something that I've done. Others have done this, undoubtedly, but it kind of modernizes the van. Old furniture, old colouring, but we love the truck. We're pretty new to it, and I've got lots of things I've upgraded and done, which I'd like to share. So please do subscribe, give me any comments, and tick the bell if you'd like to get updated when I put something new up. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.